Jeff and Jennifer here with SnowboardTraveler. It, as you can see behind me, is green grass with a little bit of snow. And I think that's the end of season, unfortunately.
We've made the most of the season, and all the snow we got, we piled it all together and made one giant, well, medium-sized jump. There wasn't that much snow in the city, and had a lot of fun the last few days. We had a very small slope, and we found a little lip in it, and we built a jump. We filled a Tupperware container with snow, and block by block we built our own jump, and we built a landing ramp. That was fun. I went off, then I did a little flip like this, and then I landed right about here.
Okay, let's see it in real time.
Oh! It's tough when you're trying to turn on grass, though, on the landing. That can be problematic.
I didn't make the landing strip wide enough.
No.
Well, thanks for joining us on our first season of SnowboardTraveler here on YouTube. We've been on here for 6 months, and it's been great success, I think, from our side.
We had
Thanks
a
for
blast,
watching.
and some of you out there watched us. Actually, thousands of you out there watched us, so that is so awesome.
We are going to take a little break over the summer, and then we'll come back with more snowboarding videos in season 2 starting in October.
In the fall, and we are gearing up for an exciting and fingers crossed full season for 2021, where all the resorts are open and everybody's safe and having fun in the mountains again. So we hope you're all staying safe and healthy at home and finding creative ways to shred in your living room, which we did.
Thanks again for watching. Jeff and Jennifer here with SnowboardTraveler, and we will see you at the next mountain. Bye.
Bye.
Ugh.
Jeff needs to work on his arm strength.
I'm not used to holding such a large camera this high in the air.
It's been weeks since he's been in the gym. It's your bicep curl camera.
Good girl.